Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Dear students, you know the world problem, coronavirus. School, college, madrasa are closed. Dear students, these situations, if we try develop our students, online class, Facebook, YouTube, online school class, online madrasa class, online college class. Dear students, I am Abul Kasem, assistant teacher, Chowk Bharnia, Alim Madrasa, Joyprat, Sodor Joyprat. Dear students, look at this picture and talk about it. Dear students, what do you see the picture? Dear students, what do you see the picture? What do you see the picture, dear students? And anyone? Anyone? Yes. And only one picture? Is frog? No frog. Only one picture? No frog. Only one picture, a female dress. Only one picture, a female dress. Yes, only one picture, a female dress. And picture number 2. Mitali, picture number 2. Yes, picture number 2, female ornaments, female ornaments. And Jahid, picture number 3, yes, Katha. Picture number 3, Katha. Dear students, number 1 picture. Number 1 picture, I see a female dress. I see a female dress of ethnic people, and a shortcut frog and scarf. Shortcut frog and scarf, dear students. That means ethnic woman dress. That means ethnic woman dress. And 2 picture, the woman ornaments. Woman ornaments. And number 3 picture, Katha. Number 3 picture, Nokshi Katha. Dear students, the whole picture 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. The whole picture are 1, 2, 3. Any more? Yes. Ethnic friends. Our ethnic friends. Headlines. Headline. Our ETHNIC, ethnic friends. FRIEND. or ethnic friend, dear students. Dear students, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to, number one, read and understand. U-N-D-E-R, understand, S-T-A-N-D, stand, text. Number two, meaning, important keywords. Number three, ask and answering questions. Ask and answering questions. A-N-S-W-E-R-I-N-G, answering question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. Number four, true or false. T-R-U, true or false. If false, give the correct answer. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct answer. Number five, write short summary. S-H-O-R-T, short summary. S-U-M-M-A-R-Y, short summary in this lesson. Listen, L-E-S-S-O-N, listen. Dear students, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to, number one, read and understand text. Number two, meaning important keywords. Number three, ask and answering questions. Number four, true or false. If false, give the correct answer. Number five, write short summary in this lesson. Write short summary in this lesson. Dear students, open your book. Dear students, open your book. Unit 1, lesson 3, Unit 1, lesson 3, and page number only 5, dear students. Dear students, read attentively. The ethnic people of Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. বাংলাদেশের ক্ষুদ্র নৃতাত্ত্বিক জনগোষ্ঠী দেশের সংস্কৃতির একটা অংশ। ক্ষুদ্র নৃতাত্ত্বিক জনগোষ্ঠী বাংলাদেশের সংস্কৃতির একটা অংশ। The majority of these people live in the Chittagong Hilltecks. এদের অধিকাংশ মানুষ কোথায় বসবাস করে? চিটাগাঙ্গের হিলটেক্সে, চিটাগাঙ্গের পাহাড়িয়া এলাকায়। The others live in the regions of Mymensingh, রাজশাহী and সিলেট। এবং অন্যান্যরা কোথায় বসবাস করে? ময়মনসিংহ, রাজশাহী এবং সিলেটে। They live in the forest area. তারা যেখানে বন জঙ্গলের এলাকা রয়েছে সেই এলাকায় তারা বসবাস করে। In the hills and in rural area. কেউ কেউ পাহাড়েও বসবাস করে এবং পল্লী অঞ্চলেও বসবাস করে। They do jhum cultivation. তারা জুম চাষ করে। For this work, they clear a pitch of land in the forest. প্রথমে তারা কি করে? একখণ্ড জমি প্রস্তুত করে। Pitch of land, that means একখণ্ড জমি, that means একখণ্ড জমি। তারা prepare, that means প্রস্তুত করা। তারা একখণ্ড জমি প্রস্তুত করে and it and sow seeds in it, এবং সেখানে তারা বীজ বপন করে। There are mostly farmers. তারা অধিকাংশ কৃষক। By religions, there are Hindus, Christians and Buddhists. তাদের অধিকাংশ ধর্ম কি? হিন্দু, বৌদ্ধ এবং খ্রিস্টান। They speak their own mother tongues. তারা নিজস্ব মাতৃভাষায় কথা বলে। Mother tongues, that means মাতৃভাষা। By religion, some of them are Chakmas, the Marmas, the Tripuras and the Marongs. এদের অধিকাংশ রয়েছে চাকমা, মরমা, ত্রিপুরা এবং মারংস। who live in the Hilltecks, তারা হিলটেক্স পাহাড়িয়া এলাকায় বসবাস করে। the Santals live in রাজশাহী, সাঁওতালেরা কোথায় বসবাস করে? রাজশাহী। the Khasias and the Manipuris live in Sylhet and Hajongs and the Garos in Mymensingh. খাসিয়া এবং মণিপুরীরা কোথায় বসবাস করে? সিলেটে। গারোরা কোথায় বসবাস করে? হাজং এবং গারোরা কোথায় বসবাস করে? ময়মনসিংহে বসবাস করে। Dear learners, do you understand it, dear learners, this lesson? Yes, thank you, dear learners. Dear learners, meaning the keywords. Meaning the keywords this lesson, dear learners. Okay, Shantana. Yes, Shantana. Thank you. Ethnic. Ethnic. E-T-H-N-I-C. Ethnic. Ethnic, that means nritatik. Nritatik. Ethnic, that means nritatik. And now next, important keywords, dear learners. Ramzan Ali. Ramzan Ali. Now next keywords. And yet, region. Region. R-E-G-I-O-N. Region. Region, that means elaka. Elaka. Dear learners. And now next, important keywords. Side. Side. Next, important keywords. And yet. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Majority. M-A-J-A-R-I-T-Y. Majority. Majority, that means বেশিরভাগ। Majority, that means বেশিরভাগ। And now next important keywords, dear learners. Dear learners. Sadek. And now next important keywords, dear learners. Sadek. And yes, thank you, Sadek. Sit down. Shifting. S-H-I-F-T-I-N. Shifting. Shifting, that means স্থানান্তরযোগ্য। 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 Okay, dear learners, this lesson is important keywords. Only one. Ethnic, that means nritatik. Only two. Majority, that means বেশিরভাগ. Only three. Region, that means এলাকা. Only four. Shifting, that means স্থানান্তরযোগ্য। Dear learners, do you understand it? And now next, dear learners, ask and answering questions. Ask and answering questions. Dear learners, where WH here, where are the marma, M-A-R-M-A-N-S, marmot found? Dear learners, answer me. Where are the marmas found? Dear learners, answer me. Nodia, answer me. Where are the marmas found? Yes, the marmas are found in Hilltecks. The marmas are found in Hilltecks. The marmas, M-A-R-M-A-N-S, marmas are found, F-O-U-N-D, found. The marmas are found in Hilltecks. In Hilltecks. H-I-L-L, Hilltecks. TRACTS, Hiltex. Okay, dear learners. And now next question. Dear learners. Where do the Santal, SANTALS, Santals live? Where do the Santals live? Dear learners, Humayun, where do the Santals live, Humayun? Answer me. And yes, Humayun, thank you. Sit down. The Santals live in Rajshahi, Rajshahi, Rajshahi. Okay, dear learners. Answering the questions is finished, dear learners. Do you understand it? And now next, true or false? If false, give the correct answer, dear learners. Okay? True or false? If false, give the correct answer, dear learners. Most of them are farmers. FARMERS, farmers. Dear learners, true or false? Any more? Yes, true. Yes, true. TRUE, true. Do you understand it, dear learners? And now next, true or false? By REL IGION, by religion, all of them are Buddha, BUDD, HISTS, Buddhist. Dear learners, any more? By religions, all of them are Buddhists. True or false? Yes, false. Dear learners, correct answer? And yes, correct answer. By religion, RELIGION, by religion, there are Buddha, BUDD HISTS, Buddhist, Christian, CHRISTION, Christian, and Hindu, HINDUS, Hindus. Correct answer. Dear learners, do you understand it? This lesson is true or false? Only one question is true and number 2 questions false. If false, give the correct answer. A correct answer. By religion, there are Buddhists, Christians and Hindus. Dear learners, do you understand it? Dear learners, do you understand it? Yes. Okay, thank you, dear learners. And next homework. Dear learners. Homework. Write a short 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 summary SUMMARY. Write a short summary in this lesson. Write a short summary in this lesson, dear learners. Okay, thanks. Dear learners, this lesson is finished. I hope all students are fine and stay at home and read attentively, dear learners. Okay, thanks. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.